In a quiet forest filled with tall trees and colorful flowers, there lived a proud green parrot named Pico and a tiny brown sparrow named Chirpy. Pico was admired by everyone for his bright feathers and loud, beautiful voice. Chirpy, on the other hand, was small and often ignored. Many birds believed that only the strong and colorful could make a difference in the forest. One summer day, a terrible fire broke out near the forest. Thick smoke filled the air, and animals ran in fear. The fire grew stronger with every passing minute. Pico flew high above the trees, watching the flames from a safe distance. He felt worried but thought, "This fire is too big. What can I do alone?" Chirpy saw the same danger, but instead of flying away, she rushed toward a nearby river. She dipped her tiny beak into the water and flew back, dropping a few drops onto the fire. Again and again, she repeated this act. Other birds laughed and said, "Your little drops can never stop such a huge fire." The parrot also mocked her gently and said, "Why waste your energy? This fire needs much more than your small effort." Chirpy looked at Pico calmly and replied, "I know my act is small, but I am doing what I can." Soon, the forest king, the eagle, noticed Chirpy's determination. Touched by her courage, he called other birds and animals to help. Elephants brought water with their trunks, birds carried leaves and mud, and together they worked hard. Slowly, the fire began to weaken and was finally put out. The forest was saved. Pico felt ashamed. He realized that while he had the power to help, he chose to do nothing. Chirpy's small act had inspired everyone to take action. From that day on, Pico learned a valuable lesson. Moral: small acts done with sincerity can create big changes.